Hi Siddharth.
Hello, ma'am.
Myself Savitri from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay.
So first of all, congratulations for your course completion.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Siddharth, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Siddharth Otari, and I'm basically from Belgium. I've completed my course 15th. That was 2024 batch. I've completed my engineering in Jain College of Engineering.
So how do you know about CMTI?
I got to know through Instagram.
Okay. So in CMTI, which course you have taken?
Construction management.
Okay. In that, what are the topics you have learned?
Basically, I learned many topics over there. So I just learned overall good experience about how to manage the projects, and I learned about estimation. I learned about AutoCAD, SketchUp. All these things I've learned over here.
Okay. So have you visited site and showroom visit, right?
Yeah. We had visited many sites. We had visited 2 to 3 sites over there.
Which are the site and showroom visit you have visited?
I had been to Victory Hospital, and some of the police commissioner office was going on. I don't remember other places.
So you have taken offline or online?
It was an offline course, ma'am.
Offline. How was the offline classes?
Overall classes were good. All the lecturers were too good, and I had an hands-on experience over here. All the lecturers were almost 40 plus experienced people, so we had a good experience over here.
Okay. So finally, what you want to tell about your friends and juniors who want to join the CMTI?
CMTI is one of the good platform to have a good career over here. Basically, like if we complete engineering, we will not be having good experience, like good knowledge about any field. So here it's been taught and made us industry ready. So I recommend my friends and family members to join this.
Okay, Siddharth, thank you for your feedback. So first, once again, congratulations for your course. So have a bright future.
Thank you.